Let me ask you a question. How many apps do you have on your phone right now? 80? 100? Now be honest. How many of them do you actually enjoy opening?
We have been sold a lie for the last 15 years. The slogan was, "There's an app for that." But the reality is, a digital nightmare.
You have an app for your bank, an app for your groceries, an app to book a flight, and another one just to get your boarding pass. You are not using technology anymore. You are managing it. You are a middleman, constantly switching between little colorful icons just to get one simple thing done.
But I am here to tell you that this era is ending. The app trap is about to snap open. We are moving from the age of information to the age of action. And it is all thanks to a new type of artificial intelligence that most people haven't even heard of yet. It is not a chatbot. It is not a language model. It is called a LAM.
The problem is fragmentation. Let's say you want to plan a dinner date. Right now, that is a chore. You open Yelp to find a restaurant. Then you open OpenTable to book a seat. Then you switch to your calendar to check the time. Then you open Uber to schedule a ride. That is 4 different apps, 4 different interfaces, and about 50 taps on your glass screen. You are doing all the work. The phone is just a tool, and a dumb one at that.
Enter the solution, the Large Action Model, or LAM. You know LLMs like ChatGPT? Those are great at talking. They can write a poem or summarize a book, but they cannot do anything. They are trapped in a text box.
A large action model is different. It is designed to understand user interfaces. It learns how to click buttons, scroll lists, and fill out forms, exactly like a human does. In the very near future, and I mean late 2026, your phone operating system won't be a grid of apps. It will be a single AI interface. You won't tap the Uber icon. You will just speak to your phone and say, "Get me a car to the Italian place downtown for 7 p.m." The AI agent takes that command, and in the background, it ghost rides the necessary services. It finds the restaurant, checks your calendar, books the table, and calls the car. You didn't open a single app. You didn't look at an ad. You didn't get distracted by a notification badge. The task is just done. This is called agentic AI. It is the shift from direct manipulation, where you move the mouse and tap the screen, to intent-based computing. You state your intent, and the machine figures out the steps. This changes everything for the economy of the internet. Think about it. If you never open the Expedia app, you never see their banner ads. If you never scroll through Instagram to find a product, but just tell your AI to buy those sneakers I liked, the entire advertising model of the web collapses. This is why big tech companies are panicking and racing to build the best agent to live on your device. Whoever owns the agent owns your wallet. Now, you might be worried about privacy. If an AI can access my bank and my calendar, isn't that dangerous? That is why the trend is moving toward on-device AI. These action models are being shrunk down to run locally on your phone's dedicated neural chips, not in the cloud. Your data stays in your pocket. The agent lives on your hardware, serving you, not a corporation. The smartphone, as we know it, is dying. It is evolving into an intelligent console. We are giving up the clutter of apps for the clarity of agents. You won't be a user anymore. You will be a director. You will command a staff of digital workers to handle the boring stuff so you can get back to living in the real world. If you want to understand how to build your own team of AI agents and survive this economic shift, you need to be watching this channel. Click that subscribe button right now. It is free, it helps the algorithm find you, and it ensures you don't get left behind when the apps disappear.